Hi there, in this video I'm going to be talking about adding the widget for icons with text, icon section as it's called. If you look on the left hand side, we've got the add widget button, second thing down on your menu to the left there, and we're going to use the icon section this time. Drag it into the column row that you want to add it to, and it will give you a default dialog box which pops up. Again, you can move the dialog boxes out of the way if you want to see what's going on in the actual content. So what it's done is created a section with an icon, check mark in this case, the section title, and some text below it. This is the edit icon, which allows you to actually edit the icon. We're going to go here and we're actually pick one of our icons, and I'm going to choose, let's go for the football. Okay, so there's the icon. Now there are lots of different things that we can actually use and the ways we can actually customize this icon. For example, we can change the styling of the icon and the styling of the layout as well. So what we've got here is an icon with a title with lower text. We can actually put the icon above the title and text. And this is great for layouts for when you're talking about different sections of your courses or things you're actually putting together to sell. And then we've got it also where the icon actually separates out further, and actually goes down, overlaps slightly where the text is. So let's start with this one here, and we're going to be able to basically, we've already changed the icon to the football. We can change the section title and we can change the text. Now you'll notice in a lot of places when you put these sort of things into your pages, you don't have a lot of choice about what's going on with the information here. In ours you do. So if we click to the edit styling button again, we can actually remove the description and actually just have an icon with a title. And then you can add different ways of styles or different styles of text or images, etc., to go below the actual title and have a description separately. The icon color you can change, so we can make it a blue, for example, in this case. We can change the padding size for the actual section, so we can actually move that up and down to create some padding in the actual section. We can actually create a shadow for this. What we've got is the shadow feature for a lot of our different assets. You can actually create shadows. I'm not going to go into a lot of details with the shadow on this one at the moment, but I will show you, or at least have another video where we talk about adding shadows to different sections. And then we can also change the background color for the section that we've added with the section title. Personally, I like to keep it the same, I think, and we've basically got the icon. We've got the section title, everything's good to go there. Again, if you've made a mistake, you don't like anything there, it's the edit styling or the edit icon, and again this allows you to choose a different icon if the first one you chose wasn't the one you actually wanted. You also have the ability to align it left or center. You can actually add a delay to it. I'll do that in another video, and you can copy the widget if you want to place it in other areas within your site. We're going to go one back to the edit styling. I want to show you something with the description and the actual title. And I'm going to put it back to the left so we can actually look at what's going on here. With the section title, you can actually change this text. And it's the same as every other text box we've got. You can actually change the font, the color, the bold, change it into a quote or a normal, change it into a different style header, because this is the header part of it. You can do underline, italics, strike through, subscript, superscript, change the font, change the size of the font, change the line height, colors, etc. You've also got the ability to use AI, and if you've seen the header and the text videos for the widgets I've done there, we used AI to create some pretty cool headers and text. And it's exactly the same with the text box. It is completely customizable for the text that you actually want to create in the icon set. If you like the style that you've created with the icon, you want to keep the icon, the font, the colors and everything else, just remember you can actually copy any element to actually use it again later on. So if it's not the same as the original, and there's your icon section, we can drag it below, and now we've actually got two of these in a row, and you're able to actually keep doing this with as many as you want to create your list of bullet points, items, etc. with the icon. And again, if you think the layout is different that you want, you can actually do it centered, and each one could be centered with the styling button. So you actually start to see how you can actually use this to lay out different parts of your courses, different parts of your information, your ebooks, whatever it is you're selling or offering. you can actually create some very cool designs with the icon section. That's it for the icon sections. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at support@contentforcoaches.com, or click on the submit ticket in the top right hand corner of this page. Thanks for watching.